All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So this is an exclusive Unicorn Beetle Pro, the case that came in for the Z Fold 3, and man, this is a long time coming. So shout out to Supcase for sending this over. And this is how the packaging comes, man. This is pretty crazy, man. So you get the Unicorn Beetle Pro. You can see they give you instructions here, right there, on how to put it on, how to get your pen in and everything, and how to put the case on. So ultimately you put both sides in flat like that, and then you have a beautiful protected case. This is crazy. I can't wait to see this. And they hooked up. They know me. They know me. Boom! Look at that. Oof. That is crazy right there. And then they hooked up this side right here with the film protector. We'll get this out of the way. So here it is. And what other way to celebrate is to use the S22 Ultra to record. So that's what I'm doing. Got the S22 Ultra recording this one. Let me know how you like the footage. So here's the Z Fold 3. Now I don't have an S Pen with mine, but I still can show you this case. And for those that have an S Pen, this is crazy. So you got this super protection for your back, the back part of your hinge. Everybody's always asking about how you protect the hinge. How do you protect the hinge? Well, Supcase definitely has you covered. This isn't too bad either. This feels like a regular width of a phone now when it's closed, but it's got this huge hinge right here, and it's just the carbon fiber faux look along there. It's looking pretty good, and they give you the also famous needed kickstand because you're gonna be watching movies with this bad boy. That's what you're gonna be doing, and you're gonna be video chatting and everything else. So this obviously you got to go with the F8 green. It's just so beautiful. I have a link down below. So you've got that carbon fiber look all along here. You got your opening, and you got a little bit of Supcase branding right there. That's really nice right there. You've got some soft touch materials on here to protect the back of your device. And inside here, that's where you seat your S Pen. That's where you put your S Pen at. Now, I think some people might be like, well, I want quick access to the S Pen. Well, this is if you need to store it away. But if you use your S Pen a lot, you'll be opening it up, getting it out of there. But this is definitely for storing it. So let's go ahead and put the back portion on. This goes on like that. Then you open up. We get this portion on. And this is how it looks from the back. Ooh. And it comes with a built-in screen protector on the front side. I don't know how some of you guys feel about that, but it's up to you to determine whether or not you want to use that. But yeah, man, this is it. I mean, you got like super drop protection now. And when you open it up like this, it slides over like that to get the S Pen out. So you can open it like this to get your S Pen out. But then when you just open it up, look what happens. You just open it up, it slides open like that. So it's protected. So really nice, man. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. This is like the ultimate case for the Z Fold 3, for real. You want to watch movies, you want to video chat, boom, here it is right here. This is crazy, crazy, crazy. This is what you guys asked for. And this actually makes the case feel like the width of a normal, it makes the phone feel like the width of a normal phone. This is sick, folks. Ooh. Man, oh man, this is beautiful. You got all your ports and cutouts and everything on top. And on the bottom, you are good to go. Drop protection, just, you set now, folks. This is crazy. Unicorn Beetle has done it again. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.